Welcome back, guys. I know it's been a while, but I'm finally out working on the off-road buggy again. Today I'm going to try to attach that radiator fan I got not too long ago somewhere above where the engine's going to go. That way we'll have a nice airflow because the engine's air cooled. So let's see what we can do with that. Alright, so here's the fan. It's just your typical radiator fan off of a car. And you can see here, it's got a couple mounting points, two on the top, one down here that's broken, and it had two more on there, but they were kind of, not very symmetrical, so I cut them off, filed down the edges, and just made it a little bit cleaner. So these two right here make it super simple to mount. I can just put it right up here, just like that, bolt it on, and it's in a perfect spot to blow right down onto the engine. Problem with that is that you need a third mount, otherwise it's just going to flap up and down like that. So after some thinking, I came up with this. I put a metal spacer right here bolted to the grates in the fan, which I can weld to. So I'll weld two flat stock pieces to the supports here and here. Simple, but it was the best solution because originally I thought I'd just weld some pieces and then bolt it to the sides of the fan, but there's not enough clearance between the inside and the actual blades for a bolt head to fit. So right now I pre-cut those pieces. I'm going to go ahead and weld them on and see if we can get this positioned right. there it is, guys. It's all welded up, cleaned up, and the fan's mounted. It's nice and sturdy. So yeah, it's looking good. It came out just like I was hoping, and it solved a couple problems. So I can also use the top of this now for mounting things as well. So it serves a couple purposes. But I'm going to clean it up a little bit more and then just test that it works and everything like that, and we'll see what we can do from there. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, go subscribe and spread this around people you might think would enjoy this. So we got the fan installed. Next up, I'm probably going to work on the jack shaft system or fixing the brakes. So we got a couple different projects we can do before we get to the engine. So we'll see where we go next. Thanks.